Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, world. This is Raw Coco, your favorite stock hunter, your favorite scalp hunter, your favorite swing hunter, your favorite long-term hunter. We got massive, massive kaboom on my private Discord. I sent an alert directly to the entire world. Everybody got my alert directly on their cell phone that subscribed directly to me on their cell phone. Here's what I said. It has a massive, massive explosion, and the stock is up 400%. Ladies and gentlemen, don't you wish you got my early alert directly on your cell phone? This specific stock that I'm talking about, I have a scanner, and on my scanner, I notice a big spike, a big volume spike that happened on this specific stock. And I notice that the stock has the six signals that I'm looking for, the Rara Coco formula. When I noticed that, I said, this stock is going to explode in my own opinion. So I sent the alert and let everybody know that this stock has a volume scanner buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. It is a huge hit right now on my private Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, the ticker symbol is KAVL. Awareness alert, awareness alert, awareness alert. Volume scanner buzzing at 8:16 a.m. Okay, 8:16 a.m. June 14th. Okay, 2024. Take a look at that. I did the screenshot. It's 8:15. I sent the alert at 8:16. Stock price, it's at $1.57. It was spiking right here at 50%, a straight shoot up. Okay. When I see something like this, I see the six signals. I can't reveal that six signals. If you want to know all the six signals, the Rara Coco formula, it is on my online awareness class. And look at that. What a beautiful setup that I saw. I saw something big that is about to happen on KAVL. So I send the alert. The stock exploded. Okay, exploded right now at $6.84. $6.84. And right now it continuously exploding on my private Discord. It is KAVL. Okay, KAVL is still continuously exploding right now. Right now, it exploded to $7.80 right now. Okay, let me print screen that. Okay, it exploded that much. We are very, very, very fortunate. Thank you guys for all your thank you for all of your support that are subscribing to my private Discord, that are getting my super, super, super early alert directly on your cell phone. And now we are being rewarded. We are being blessed. Okay, guys. God bless you. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all the time. Okay. Always, always be kind to one another. Okay. When you are like that, you're going to be blessed. Just blessing keeps coming. And that's one of the reasons why I think it's one of my strength. I'm able to find winner, winner, chicken dinner on each of this stock. Now, this is not the only stock that exploded on my private Discord. Okay. I want you to be aware that I'm able to find winner after winner after winner stock. Okay. These are very, very important stocks that I noticed. LGVN is a multi-winner on my private Discord. It's $3.80 now. Okay, there is another stock here that I want you guys to really be aware of. Um, that is also exploding now on my private Discord. Okay, one of them is this specific stock. I sent the alert on SV. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at me now. Okay. SVMH. Okay. SVMH is another stock that is exploding right now on my private Discord. SVMH. Okay. SVMH is exploding. Right now, my private Discord, it jumped really, really high to 38.38 cents. Okay, 0.38 cents. Take a look at that starting price of 0.23. The stock jump to 38 cents. It's going down a little bit now. It's at 0.36 now. 0.36. If you look at this area here, let me show you. Okay. So look at that. It's at 36.33 right now. This is at 138%. And again, I sent the early alert at 0.23 77 cents. Okay. So that is another stock that exploded on my private Discord. Is nonstop, 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 nonstop explosion, guys. Okay. If you want to get my early alert directly on your cell phone, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button. So here's another stock that is actually really, really hot. Okay. Look at that. 38 cents. It went to 38 cents. But this stock right here has a good news, BPTH. Okay. BPTH has a very, very good news. What happened is myeloid cancer, they announced a positive good news, positive result, positive efficacy with regards to their cancer treatment, okay, medication. So this is BPTH. So take a look at that, see if you want to invest on this specific stock. It is a hot, hot, hot stock. And again, there's a positive news that announced today. If you let me show you the actual news for BPTH, stand by, guys. Let me show you. See if I can show you the actual news for BPTH. All right.
So my computer is
Very slow to open. We got that one. BPTH news is kind of big. BPTH. Let me open that up and update you with regards to that specific stock. See if you want to invest on that stock, BPTH. Wow, super slow, super slow. My computer is acting up again, and this is fairly new. Sometimes I am not sure, but anyway, BPTH. Okay, well, I don't edit my video, guys, so I apologize. BPTH, look it up. There's big news that was announced. This is with regards to cancer medication. Again, positive news, very, very bullish news. And let's see how far this one is gonna take, it's gonna go. But that's pretty much it. Take a look at it. See if you want to invest in that one. It's a hot, 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 hot stock. Okay. My name is Rara Coco. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. May have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. Rara Coco, Stock Hunter 24/7. If you want to get my early alert directly on your cell phone, subscribe to my private Discord. I am pretty much the most expensive Discord out there. It's because I have stock 24/7 and I send alert directly to your cell phone. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.